Hello, and welcome to another one of our educative videos designed to enhance your online shopping experience from within MyBidfood. In this video, we'd like to demonstrate how to order random weight products. These are products where the total weight of the product per pack size will vary, and the manner in which you order is determined by calculating the total weight that you require. I have already searched and found a suitable product for us to use. Can you see how the product size for this product is not fixed, but rather an estimate of what one each would weigh? Let's imagine that I wanted 3 bags of this product. What to do is to take the approximate weight reflected by this item size and to multiply it by the number of items that I require. If I want 3 bags of this product, I then multiply 3 by the 13.5, which results in 40.5 kilos. When you are placing your order, lose the decimal place and only order the whole number. This will instruct our staff at our branches to pick 3 units of this product, but to weigh it and to charge you per kilo price. We hope that this video helps you and that you'll be staying tuned for more videos in the future.